WEHT Local Lifestyles continues.
Vicki Whitaker is back with us. She is the owner and I would say visionary behind the selling service called Cardinal Selling. And today we're talking about, of all things, farm equipment.
I know. I had to switch it up. I'm not sure where it all came from.
Interesting. It's just the whole variety
outline
of what you have.
Yeah, I think for us, it really just comes down to valuable assets. And sometimes it has to do most with who needs us the most. So the last month, we've had a lot of fun working with one farmer who is selling pretty much everything and moving to the city, the poor guy.
Oh, that's great. Come on to downtown. You won't have to mow. You won't need that mower from Vicki.
He's been fun to work with, I have to say. I haven't done farm equipment in a while. And when we came, we had to coach him through how to clean it all up right, and he's not in the best condition. So we've had to ad-lib a little bit there and help him a little bit more hands-on than what we're maybe used to doing.
But that's what you do, though. I mean, you do coach your sellers and your buyers.
We do, and we kind of give them an idea. Okay, like here's what we can do. There's hardly anything over, 13 years. I remember going to list a Bentley in Louisville, Kentucky, and I was so excited about going. And I knew they wanted a pretty good price tag, so I thought, well, this got to be nice. Well, I get to their home, it's underneath a tree and hasn't been running in 3 years. And
was it covered up at all?
It was not covered, other than in like bird doo-doo. So yeah,
yeah, she just said that on TV.
I know, I had to. I said it as nice as I could. I had to spend an hour and a half with their family to clean it because it was like, okay, they needed me to sell it.
Right.
And I had already made the commitment to drive. And so, yeah, we got out there and cleaned it.
So did it run? Or did you have to haul it?
It was running. Okay. Yes, it was running. And we actually sold that to a guy who ran a cab business in New York City.
Because, I mean, that would be something to see.
It'd be cool. If you're an independent cab owner and you're not restricted to a certain body style, heck yeah.
I'm driving a Bentley, baby.
Yeah.
I'm driving a Bentley.
It was neat, yeah.
Now, the farm equipment that you've gotten from this gentleman is now available, or have you already just sold it?
No, it's all available, and we just really started working with him, so that's all kind of new. Another thing that we shifted gears with last night, we're working with a gentleman in Chicago who has a chain operation of educational, like preschool to 6th grade, private schools. So we're really about to set up a deal in Chicago, working on closing out an entire small school.
Like a private school thing?
It's a small private school, yeah. And I believe he has locations across the U.S. from what I can tell. So it's been exciting. We're on our website, you're going to see more and more large lots, whether it's a Subway asset lot or it's a school. This is just one more lot that we're going to actually make it a package, hope to sell the contents to one buyer, but entertaining 2 or 3 buyers of that lot. That's our movement nationally going forward.
Can we see everything that you're talking about on your website or on your Facebook page?
Facebook has usually got the most recent activity, and then it typically lands over into our website within a week.
Do we have to make an appointment to come see you, Vicki, to see what you have there? If I say
not at our facility.
Tractor.
Yeah, no
kidding.
A
combine.
Those kind of appointments, because what people forget is when they come in our outlet center in Huntingburg, that's only about probably 20%, maybe 10% of what we have for sale. And we have things in other people's locations. So in that instance, if it's a tractor, then yes, we're going to have to make an appointment. And if we have somebody coming in that wants to maybe meet with us after our normal hours, we just have to know that in advance, and we're usually there late in the evening.
You work with them.
I mean, like, where else am I going to go if I'm not at work all the time?
So here on TV.
Yeah,
so this is your break.
Hey, you're right. So if somebody needs later hours, usually we can accommodate.
All right, you're always just full of energy and ideas. Great to see you.
I don't know where it comes from. It's a gift.
In that head of yours.
Yeah.
All right, we'll be back. Let's check in with Ron Rhodes wearing